Alright guys, today we are back with another video, and today we have a pair of Cherry 12s. You guys can see these are pretty bad, and the sad part is I just sold these to my friend. He wore them one time and brought them back to me like this within a week. Let's go ahead and make them look brand new again. To start the cleaning, I'm going to go ahead and take my X-Acto knife and start to just remove debris out the crevices so I can go ahead and begin to steam the outsoles. And now I'm going to use some Rejuvenator to go ahead and clean up the shoes. So I'm using the stiff texture brush for the soles. And now to clean up the uppers, I'm going to be using my medium textured brush with the same Rejuvenator solution. And then I'll take my microfiber cloth and just wipe all the soap up. For the shoelaces, I just have them in the solution with some bleach, water, Rejuvenator, some detergent. Just dunk them in there, shake it up, let it sit, and then rinse them out. Alright guys, at this point the shoes are completely finished, and you cannot tell me these are not a brand new pair of sneakers. Like, they literally look like when he just bought them off of me. Look at the bottoms, everything's fresh. So if you need the treatment done to your own pairs, DM my IG Restorations, and I'll see you guys in the next one.